So theorem में given है statement let X be non-linear space and the closed unit ball M equals to X belongs to X for that norm of X less than equals to 1 is compact. Okay, then X is finite dimensional. Okay, so हम prove करेंगे let M is compact. We will prove the theorem by contradiction. Let it possible dimension of non-linear space X is infinite. Choose a vector x1 such that x1 का norm equals to 1. Okay, let x1 be the subspace generated by x1. That is x1 equals to span of x1. Okay, or subspace generated by small x1 equals to x1 for x1 not equals to 0, which implies x1 is the basis of subspace x1 and dimension of x1 equals to 1 because x1 contain only one element or one vector, that is small x1. So dimension of x1 equals to 1. So x1 is a closed subspace. Also we can say that x1 is a proper closed linear subspace of x. And by RIESZ lemma, there exists x2 belongs to x so that x2 का norm equals to 1 and the norm of x2 minus x1 greater than equals to theta, and where theta belongs to 0, 1. Let theta equals to 1 by 2. That is x2 का norm equals to 1, x2 minus x1 का norm greater than equals to 1 by 2. And let x2 is a subspace generated by x1 and x2. That is x2 equals to subspace generated by x1, x2. Then x1, x2 is a basis of x2. This implies dimension of x2 equals to 2. Then x2 is a proper closed linear subspace of non-linear space. Then by RIESZ lemma, there exists x3 belongs to x so that norm of x3 equals to 1. Then x3 minus x1 greater than equals to 1 by 2. Then norm of x3 minus x2 greater than equals to 1 by 2. अब x3 x1 से भी माइनस होगा करेंगे, वो भी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 1 होगा उसका नॉर्म, एंड x3 को x2 से भी अगर माइनस करेंगे तो उसका नॉर्म भी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 1 by 2 होगा. So repeating the process, we get a sequence xn of element in M such that xn minus xn greater than equals to 1 by 2. Then xn cannot have a convergent subsequence in n. Convergent कैसे होगा भाई? Because ये अगर लेस देन होता, लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 1 by 2 होता तो बाउंडेड होता, बाउंडेड इम्प्लाइज कन्वर्जेंट, तो ये तो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 1 by 2 आया. So xn cannot have convergent subsequence in M, which imply M is not compact, which is a contradiction. Hence X is finite dimensional space. Okay, so thank you for watching this, which completes the proof. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.